freedom in mind, faith in words, pride in our hearts, memories in our souls. Let's salute the nation on Republic Day. Happy Republic Day. Today we are present here to celebrate Republic Day. This year we are celebrating 73rd Republic Day. On this day, Constitution of India came into effect. Now let's join our hands, close our eyes and pray to Almighty. On this day, I wish to tell you a few facts about this special occasion. Ever since independence, the main celebration of Republic Day is held at the national capital, New Delhi, at the Rajpath in the presence of the President, Prime Minister and other high-rank officials of India. Republic Day is celebrated in every school, college and office with great enthusiasm and energy. In schools, various competitions are held which include dancing, singing and giving a Republic Day speech. I wanna end this speech by saying that India is a democratic country. One thing we all can do is to promise each other that we will become a better version of ourselves so that we could contribute to making our nation a better place. Thank you. Now I would like to call Sejal for a thought.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Sejal of Class 6 Silver. My thought is every Indian should forget that he is a Rajput, a Sikh, or a Jat. He must remember that he is an Indian. Thanks. Jai Hind.
Now I would like to call Shagun and Khushmeet for a song. India, the National Girl Child Day is observed annually on 24 Jan. The day aims to focus on the inequalities faced by girls to promote the education, health and nutrition of the girl child and to make the people aware about the rights of a girl child. Now I would like to call Sejal and Anshika for a dance performance on Bharat Ki Beti.
ओ सर्द ते मैं जावा मेरी दिल जानिया मैं शीश झुकावा मेरी दिल जानिया तेरे नाम जो कर जावा कम है वो तू सारे जहां से प्यारी मेरे भारत की बेटी है सारे जहां पे भारी मेरे भारत की बेटी दिल जान है शान हमारी मेरे भारत की बेटी जीती रहो जीतती रहो जो तेरे नैनों से टपके हर आंसू है अपना जो तेरे होठों पे ठहरे वो गीत अब अपना जो सीना तान के तू चले उठता है सर अपना जा जी ले अपनी जिंदड़ी सर पर हाथ है अपना तेरा जो भी है सपना अब जिम्मा है अपना सपने सच करने की तेरी बारी सारे जहां से प्यारी मेरे भारत की बेटी है सारे जहां पे भारी मेरे भारत की बेटी दिल जान है शान हमारी मेरे भारत की बेटी जीती रहो जीतती रहो
Now I would request you all to get ready for national anthem.